In this video, I will show you how to use Layer Comb in Photoshop to organize your plan workflow from outline to final presentation. Layer combs are like snapshots of your file. Each one saves which layers are visible, where they are positioned, and which style are applied. Instead of to duplicate file for every stage, you switch views with one click, all in the same Photoshop file. Imagine you are doing a pool design and you don't want 4 different files. So what you do, you create 4 layers comb to manage the story of your plan. In this sample, we're going to create 4, and we're going to start with the base file with the site plan, which is a black and white, and we're going to turn it off the 2 groups of hardscape and landscape and the furniture line work. Go to Windows, go to Layer Comb, and you're going to see in this tab at the bottom a plus sign, and we're going to name it with a meaningful name that you remember. In this case, I'm going to use just black and white. You click OK, and you have your first layer comb created. Switch back to the layer menu. Now we're going to turn it on the furniture layer, which is black and white too, and at the same toolbar you can switch to layer comb to the right of the layer menu too. You click it again and you do the same thing. Go to the bottom right, click the plus sign, and rename the second layer comb, which is furniture in my case. And then you're going to click OK, and there you have already 2 layer comb created. So we're going to go back to the layer menu, and now we're going to turn it on the hardscape group, which is have all the layers. Switching back to the layer comb and rename it as a hardscape. Click OK. Let's go back to the layer and turn it on the landscape and do the same thing. We're going to go back to the layer comb menu, click the plus sign, and rename that layer comb as a landscape. And please save your work. Layer combs keep your workflow clean, fast, and flexible. If this saves you time, wait until you see what is next. More real-life tool coming soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.